One of the things I take the most pride in is when I left my hometown in Washington State at 18. I went with the intention of being in the entertainment business, but it took a few years. I trained and took dance and all kinds of stuff to prepare myself for the day when it comes that I'm ready. And it came one day. I got an agent, and he sent me on a Mountain Dew commercial, and I got it, but I wasn't supposed to be there. It was a SAG call only, Screen Actors Guild members only call, and he snuck me in, and I got it. So they Taft-Hartle'd me into the union, and I was working as a professional actor. A couple weeks later, I got a National Pizza Hut commercial, and then within that same period, I got the Dennis D. Young video for MTV, which is called Desert Moon. And so I was doing really well at the beginning, and getting other little things. Some are really hard to share here. I tried to share some and got flagged for copyright. So I'm going to share a couple other things here that I have. A short silent film was done for the music composer for his reel. So I don't think that this would be a problem. Share, I'm the lead in it. And silent acting is not easy. And then a Shell oil commercial where it was the West Coast versus the East Coast. One was Coke and one was Pepsi. I forget which was West Coast and which was East Coast, but we shot the same commercial, identical to each other. So every commercial you see the Coke and the Pepsi. They didn't just insert the Coke and Pepsi. We actually reset and shot identical. So it's pretty interesting that way. I'm at the end of that in the hot rod. Get the cool car.
Problem.
One of the careers that I've lost because of the intractable hiccups is working in TV and film as an actor. And here's a little something I did back in the 80s, a little silent film. Enjoy.
Celebrating summer a little differently. This weekend, get a 2-liter bottle of Coke free when you fill up with SU2000 and maybe win a brand new Thunderbird. A different winner every week for 6 weeks. Experience the difference in Shell. Yeah. Experience the difference in Shell. It's gonna be a different kind of summer. If you know a place to keep cool, get a free Pepsi at your Shell station and maybe win a T-Bird. What a sensation! Shell dealers are celebrating summer a little differently. This weekend, get a 2-liter bottle of Pepsi free when you fill up with SU2000 and maybe win a brand new Thunderbird. A different winner every week for 6 weeks.